Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be covering the basics of Korean skincare, as well as product recommendation for beginners with different skin types. As you may know, Korean skincare has gained immense popularity worldwide and for good reason. So if you're ready to learn the basics and discover the essential products for a simple yet effective routine, you're in the right place. Let's get started. If you're just starting out your skincare journey, you need only 4 products: cleanser, toner, moisturizer, and sunscreen. 1. Cleansers. Cleansing is the foundation of any skincare routine. In Korean skincare, double cleansing is highly emphasized. Start with an oil-based cleanser to remove makeup, sunscreen, and excess sebum. Here are some key beauty oil cleansers for different skin types. Next, follow up with a water-based cleanser to remove impurities and cleanse the skin. Here are some samples you can use. Step 2. Toners play a crucial role in hydrating and balancing the skin's pH levels after cleansing. Look for toners that are alcohol-free and packed with nourishing ingredients. Here are some samples to try out. Step 3. Moisturizers are essential for keeping the skin hydrated and maintaining its moisture barrier. Korean moisturizers are often lightweight and packed with hydrating ingredients. The Cosrx Oil-Free Ultra Moisturizing Lotion is a great option for oily or acne-prone skin, while the Laneige Water Bank Moisture Cream provides intense hydration for dry or dehydrated skin. Remember to choose a moisturizer that suits your skin type and concerns. Sunscreen. Sun protection is vital for maintaining healthy and youthful skin. Korean sunscreens are known for their lightweight formulas and high protection levels. Look for sunscreens with at least SPF 30 and broad spectrum protection. If you enjoyed this video, do give it a thumbs up and share to your friends that might find this content helpful. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this and tap the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of our videos.